This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Electra Alexander. Gorgeous ground floor unit. New upgrades include laminate flooring, paint, new kitchen appliances, new washer and dryer, 2 full baths and a beautiful open floor plan. Main bedroom west/ensuite full bath. Easy access to the interstate, public transportation or FIC-INT, airport, and naval bases. Trash pickup is included with the rent. Sorry, no pets and no smoking or vaping permitted inside of the unit. Renter's insurance required. Apply at www.retrent.com. All required documents must be uploaded with application. All tenants 18 years or older must submit an application. For more information, review the details below or contact Electra Alexander at 757-523-1216.